what's up? Манай охин бид гурав pumpkin patch явах гээд бэлдээд байж гин. Тийм сайн байна уу гэж. Сайн уу гэрээ. Тэгээ бид тэр pumpkin patch руугаа явхаас өмнө та нартай fall decoration-ыг танилцуулд юм уу гэж бодоод зөндөө хүмүүс сонирхоод үзье харъя гэсэн болохоор та нартайгаа гоё хуваалцъя гэж бодоод байж гин.
Yep.
Do you like it when I decorate for fall and for the holidays?
I do. Yeah, mostly for Christmas. I really like when she decorates
Yeah.
the house. Yeah. You know, like woman, эмэгтэй хүн гэрээ агуу гоё чимэглээд тэгээд ирэхээр гэрт агуу гоё тэр баярын уур амьсгал агуу гоё орж ирдэг юм шиг санагддаг. Тэгээд тийм учраас марлаа гэрээ чимэглэх нь амар дуртай.
Oh, thanks, honey.
Yeah, so you do you.
You do. Even if I buy crazy, useless things that just sit there and look good, you're cool with it?
Yeah, you go for it, girl.
Yeah.
But sometimes, like if it's really...
Hey, watch it. Watch it. Ah, 우리가 trouble дарах гэж юм те. Буруу юм хэлж те. За тэгвэл witness эхлэе те. Би намар өвөл үлрэлт хаалганыхан гадаа гоё reef тавих дуртай. Манай fall reef нэ. Ийм харагдаж байна. Ийм гоё цагаан sunflowers зэгтэй гоё fall leaves and branches and things like that. I like this leaf a lot. Hi. Like you're starting, alright? Starting. Иймэрхүү ээ. За тэгээд гэртээ ингэж ороод. This is going to be kind of like a small mini living room tour because all of our fall decorations are in our living room, our main living space, our 2 bedrooms and bathroom. I just haven't even thought about decorating. Those 2 rooms just have so much going on. I like it when it's in this room. When you first come into the door, we have this little shoe closet. What is this called?
Yeah.
Shoe drawers, shoe storage. Yeah, and I have a little pumpkin here, a glass pumpkin. This one actually lights up. Let me see. There we go. This one lights up. This glass pumpkin is from Pier 1. And this light from IKEA, this Voluspa candle, and the white orchids are usually always here year round. Nara. Чи ээжээгээ сормуусын хайрцаг шидсэн үү чи? Яаж байгаа юм бэ миний охин? Болохгүй штэ. Чи ээжийн гой сормууснуудыг муухай олголоо штэ. Штэ за миний охин. За. Чи буцаага хийчихдэх үү? Ээжийн гууж ийн. Нара буцаагаа хийгээрэй. Oh my goodness. Минаалз. Хаалз чамаа гэдлээ шүү. Nara in Timuchin, he's in child safety lock and I just went hello.
Okay.
За. Энэ ханд тиймэрхүү. Тэгээд манай энэ тойлуудыг би нэг антик дэлгүүрээс бүр нэг 2 жилийн өмнө авч ирсэн тий наа. Чи дөрөв байхад ээжээ хоёр нэг толтой байдаг байсан шүү дээ. Сайн уу? These drawers here next to the mirror are where I keep my makeup and most of my collection, and this is where I get ready in the mornings. Because of the big windows on the porch, it gives me the best lighting in the morning. And then here's where we keep all of our keys. Then on top of this, I have a candle from Bath & Body Works, 2 pumpkins. These 2 pumpkins are from Michael's. Most of the things I'm going to be showing you, I either got on sale or some kind of discount. Very few items I paid full price for. I'm a big bargain shopper and I love a good deal. So a lot of these items I got a few years ago and some of them I got this year. You might still be able to find some of the things that I show you. So, like I said, these 2 pumpkins are from Michael's. These flowers, these sunflowers, they have this like gold, copper, like metallic glitter beads in it. And I have 2 yellow ones and 1 orange, like this. And this vase candle holder thing is also from Michaels. And this is my favorite fall candle from Bath & Body Works, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. It has a really soft, just comforting smell. Let me read the bottom for you guys. What does it say? It says, pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, white ginger, and praline musk. Yeah, it smells so good. You guys definitely try this one out if you're looking for good, affordable candles. So that's that for that corner. This is our office desk area where we edit our videos, where I sit and make my videos. Like I said, I do my makeup here in the mornings when I get ready for work. So this is our couch. We got our couch from IKEA. It actually pulls out, this part pulls out, and it becomes a big bed. And this little compartment here on the right side actually lifts up, and you can use that for storage. So it's a nice couch. I like it, and it was pretty affordable. It's from IKEA. I like IKEA stuff. Usually year round, we have these cream, like soft pillows, and this gray one, and a couple other ones. But I got these 2 covers, these orange velvet pillow covers from Pottery Barn, and I got this throw from Pottery Barn as well, and the fox pillow is from Macy's. And that pillow, I think it's from Target, but I got it a few years back, so I'm not sure if they still have that. And this is the newest member of our family. This is Joey, Nara's little kangaroo baby. He's swaddled up and just sleeping with his pumpkin sticker. Our living room and dining area is quite strange because there's no designated dining area. It's a living room and then it just automatically turns into the kitchen. So we kind of had to figure out how to make this small space work for us and work for all the different uses that we wanted to get out of it. As you can see, we have an office, we have a living space, we have a dining room, all in one area. So from the couch, it becomes our dining table where we have Nara's Trip Trap, high chair. We have 2 dining chairs from IKEA, and this table is also from IKEA. And here I have a candle holder. This is from Marshall's, and then I got this pumpkin from Costco. This pumpkin actually came with 2 other pumpkins, and this is the mid-size one, and there's a larger pumpkin and a smaller pumpkin that came with it. And it was only $10. I think it was like $9.99 at Costco when they still had it. So it's a really good deal. A lot of the pumpkins that I got from Pier 1 and the other places were really expensive. And these look just as cool and great, but they were really inexpensive and came in a pack of 3. And then I just have 2 fake candles that work by a battery. Sometimes we turn this on if we want to make it nice and cozy in here. This little thing is from Costco. It tells you the indoor and outdoor temperature. It comes in handy when you want to plan your day and if it's gonna rain, the time and the date. So I like this. It comes in handy too. That was one of Temujin's purchases. And then we have a little vase with, what are these things called? Bamboo shoots? Bamboo plants? Money tree. That's our money tree. So that's our dining table. And then going this way, this is our kitchen. I got this to hang up. I thought this was seriously the cutest little garland hanging thing. So there's a little fox, an acorn, a little owl, a little squirrel, and then fox, acorn, owl, squirrel. How cute is that? I love that. I thought Nara would like it. So this little corner is more of our fall, a little bit of Halloween decorations. We'll start with these flowers. They're exciting. See, Nara loves them. Nara loves it. These flowers, I actually received them a couple days ago from one of my brides. So sweet. She sent me this beautiful bouquet of flowers as a thank you for doing her makeup on her wedding day. I thought that was the sweetest ever. So beautiful. Any girl loves flowers, especially when they look this stunning and they smell so good. Timujin was commenting about how good they smell. They smell really good. Okay, and then, so in this corner, this is the small and large pumpkin that came with that mid-sized one. So I have those there. And then I have a ceramic orange pumpkin vase with some fake flowers from Michael's. I have this boo thing with a ghost. I actually got that from CVS last year. This little pumpkin that says Harvest is from Michael's. I have this skull. This skull is from CVS as well. And I have the Bath & Body Works leaves candle burning with a pumpkin patch candle that I got from like Ross or Marshall's or something. And then this, usually we have some white flowers in here, fake flowers, year round. And I put this like maroony orange colored straw-like plant in here to kind of create that fall atmosphere. So we don't have a ton of Halloween type decorations just because I didn't want to make it too spooky for Nara since she's younger and she does get scared easily of things like that. So we just kept it kind of simple, a little skull, but everything else is kind of very fall themed. Our last little fall nook is over here by our TV. So when you look at the wall that faces across from the couch, this is our TV, our stand, we have a bookshelf. This is Nara's little house that we recently got her. She's got a horsey and a car. She's got a lot of things.
What?
She's ready to move out if she needs to. Right, Nara? Yeah? Yeah, хөөсөө штэ тий? Нэг хөөсөө тоолдог штэ тий? So this last little nook, I got this plant from Michael's. I thought it looked kind of cute. And I have these three scarecrow people to symbolize me, Timujin, and Nara. The green one's Nara. This is me in the sunflower dress. And this is Timujin. And then I have this big pumpkin with a lid. I really wanted to put some lights in here, but I can't find the battery powered lights that I used to have, so it's just kind of hanging out there. And this is a Inti with the baby Mongolian арцуулдаг юм бэлээ те.
Сангийн баг. Би бас нэрийг мартчихжээ. Ямар ч арцуулдаг дээ сангийн арцуулдаг юм.
Okay, cool. And then I just have another faux candle here. But that's pretty much it, guys. We have a pretty small space, so I can't really go as crazy as I want to. And we use this space a lot, and we use it for many different things, as you can see. So I like to decorate it for fall and for the holidays because it just kind of gets me in the mood, and I like seeing all the orange and the pumpkins and all the festive things. It just makes me happy. But that's it, you guys. That's it for our decorations this year. Every year I kind of add a little bit and it kind of grows. So
Yep.
We're actually about to go to the pumpkin patch and and we're gonna be carving our pumpkins tonight.
Yep.
Ah. So don't forget to watch that after this video. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention that little garland, that little animal garland, is from a place called Sur La Table, I think it's called, where they sell like kitchenware and things like that. So that's where that's from. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed me sharing with you my fall decorations this year. Please let me know if there are any other cool things or ideas as far as decorations that you guys like to set up and decorate your house with. Or if you have any good stores that you recommend, I'd love to check those out. Yeah. But that's it. Say баярлаа гэрэ минь яха. Баярлаа. Хайртай шүү. За, хоёул дараа унтраа. Хайртай шүү гэж унсч. Хайртай шүү. За, баяртай. За, унтраач.